Quicken Deluxe is a comprehensive personal finance management tool designed to help you track your finances, create budgets, and plan for the future. Here's how to use Quicken Deluxe effectively. Download and install. Purchase and download Quicken Deluxe from the official Quicken website. Follow the installation instructions to set up the software on your computer. Create an account. Open Quicken Deluxe and create a new account. You will need to provide your email address and set up a secure password. Connect financial accounts. Link your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts to Quicken Deluxe. This allows the software to automatically import and categorize your transactions. Set up budget. Navigate to the budget section and create a detailed budget. Allocate funds to various categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities. Quicken Deluxe provides tools to track your spending against your budget. Track expenses. Quicken Deluxe automatically categorizes your transactions. Review and adjust these categories as needed to ensure accurate tracking of your expenses. Monitor cash flow. Use the cash flow feature to see your income and expenses over time. This helps you understand your financial health and plan for upcoming expenses. Set financial goals. Define your financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Quicken Deluxe helps you track your progress towards these goals. Generate reports. Create detailed financial reports to analyze your spending, income, investments, and net worth. Use these reports to make informed financial decisions. Backup data. Regularly backup your Quicken Deluxe data to protect against data loss. Quicken Deluxe offers options for both local and cloud backups.